begin this practice lying on your back. Bend your knees, feet and hands flat on the ground. Relax your shoulders, relax your belly, soften your facial muscles, and if it's possible, close your eyes gently. Feel the ground supporting your entire body, including your feet. Now bring your attention to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let your body weight drop a little more with each exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue your breath and prepare to come to a pause. Now gently bring your right knee to your chest and slowly bring your foot down. Now gently bring your left knee towards your chest and slowly bring it down. Continue left knee to the chest and slowly down to the ground. Right knee to your chest slowly back to the ground. Continue with the rhythm. Right knee up, back to the floor. Left knee up to your chest, back to the floor. Again, left knee up, back to the floor. Keep breathing through your mouth, your nose, and breathing out through your mouth. Now prepare to come to a gentle stop. Prepare to arrive to a pause. Pause. Now, just take a nice breath. Then we're going to start shifting your knees slowly to your right, back to the center, and then shifting both your knees slowly to your left, and then back to center. Again, continue move your knees slowly to your right, back to center, and let them drop to your left. Continue with your breath. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed as you do this, and feel free with the distance that feels comfortable to you. There is no right or wrong, just observe. And if anything becomes too uncomfortable, just pause. Just keep moving your knees slowly to your left, back to center, and slowly come to your left, back to center. Keep the rhythm of your breath going. Feel your tummy rise and feel it drop on your exhale. Continue to let your knees drop side to side like grass in the wind. Then bring them to the center. Continue. Prepare to come to a pause. keep breathing. We are coming up to the last round. Knees to your right and knees to your left. Now pause, take a nice breath. Continue with your breath and just relax. Just keep relaxed. Now you're going to bring your hands to your shoulders, and then like a butterfly you're gonna bring your elbows up, and then you're gonna drop your arms back to the floor. Make sure that your elbows touch the ground if possible. Continue with the breath and just make sure your body is feeling nice and heavy on the ground. Keep your movements nice and slow, so you will keep going back to the floor, and then slowly bring them up again, facing towards the ceiling, back to the floor slowly, up again, facing up. Let yourself feel heavy, just completely relaxed. Back to the floor and up, elbows facing towards the ceiling. Just keep breathing. The floor, up again towards the ceiling, back to the floor. Just keep your movements nice and slow. Up again, facing the ceiling, back to the floor. Now prepare to come to a pause. That's the last one. Then you can bring your arms to your side, palms facing down. Relax here for a moment and take a nice deep breath. Just keep breathing. Then bring your right knee, your right foot onto your left knee, forming the figure 4. And then just slowly rock that side. So you're going to rock side to side. You're going to let your hips roll to your left, then back to your right. You're going to keep rolling to your left, and then back slowly to your right. Remember to keep your awareness on the breath, slowly and continuously, breathing in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Again, let that knee drop. You actually swinging your hips, then you're rocking side to side. Back to center, let it drop again, back, and bring it back to center. Let it drop again, swinging back, swing the knee back, and then let it come back. Let your hips come back to the center. One more time, and then you're coming to a stop. Now shift your legs. We're gonna change. You're gonna now have your other foot resting onto the knee, creating the figure 4. Again, you're gonna let your hips swing from side to side. So you just gently let yourself drop to one side and you come back to the center. that rhythm going. Let it drop. Come back to center. Let your hips sway back. And then back to center. Let your hips sway to the side. Keep going. Just make sure you are relaxed. No need to prove anything. We are just here. No judgment. Whatever that feels comfortable, just keep swinging your hip from side to side. Prepare to come to a gentle pause coming up shortly. Then let that other leg flat on the ground. Take another moment to take a nice deep breath. A few breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Now we're coming to the next one. Cross your arms across your shoulders and give yourself like a nice hug. When you're ready, you're gonna roll your upper body to one side gently and slowly. Come back to center and then roll to the other side. Nice and easy. Back to center. Roll to the other side. And come back to center. Keep moving. Keep going. Just make sure that you are completely relaxed. Your back is fully flat on the floor. Your tummy is nice and heavy. The ground is your support. That is what's holding you. So there's no need for you to hold anything. And you're just moving just your upper body. Continue rolling one side slowly. Come back to center. Roll to the other side. Back to center. Again, keep rolling to the other side. Back to center. You might feel yourself start to feel like you are about to yawn. That's okay. That's a sign that you are relaxing and regulating. You may swallow. Prepare to come to a stop. Come to a pause. And then slowly bring your arms back to the side, palms facing down. Then you're just going to take a nice deep breath. Keep breathing and relaxing. Feel yourself softening. Now place one hand on your chest and the other one on your belly. Now we are preparing to take nice calming breaths. So you're going to take a nice deep inhale to a count of 4, 2, 3, 4. We're going to hold for 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to exhale 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathe in for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your body soften. Feel it soften as you exhale. Again, nice deep breath in. 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 2, 3, 4. Now a long exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, take a nice deep breath in. 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat again. Nice deep inhale. Feel your belly rising. 3, 4. Hold for 4. 2, 3, 4. Release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Deep inhale. 2, 3, 4. We hold it there. 2, 3, 4. We release for 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. Nice deep inhale. 2, 3, 4. And prepare. Nice exhale. Prepare to come to a stop. Just relax. Let your feet spread out long. Let your body feel nice and relaxed, and you can stay here for as long as you want. Thank you.